similar to biting lips, procrastination, nose picking, and hair pulling. Nail biting is also a behavior that many people can't stop on their own. Note that when it comes to breaking bad habits, it's important to replace them with positive ones. Set clear goals, create a routine, and find support from friends or family. Remember, it's a journey, so be kind to yourself along the way. Hey there, everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about a common habit that many of us struggle with, which is nail biting. You know, nail biting can be a tough habit to break. It's not only damaging to our nails, but can also be unhygienic. But don't worry, I've got some tips to help you kick this habit to the curb. Before these tips, we must know that nail biting is a kind of mental disorder. It is scientifically called onychophagia, and this habit causes several oral diseases. Anyway, what are the tips? Tip 1. Awareness. The first step is to become aware of when and why you bite your nails. Is it when you're stressed, bored, or anxious? By identifying the triggers, you can find healthier ways to cope with those emotions. When you're bored or dissatisfied, biting your nails feels like it gives you something to do or feel satisfied about. But according to me, it's not a good idea to lower your stress in this way. Tip 2. Keep nails short. Keeping short nails is itself a good habit, and it will help you in many ways. Keeping your nails short can make it less tempting to bite them. Regularly trim and file your nails to maintain a neat and tidy appearance. Besides this, in men, keeping them short will also make them look more attractive and clear, and will prevent your desire to bite them. Tip 3. Substitute the habit. Find a substitute for nail biting. It could be chewing gum, using a stress ball, always wearing cotton gloves, or even painting your nails with a bitter-tasting polish. These alternatives can redirect your urge to bite your nails. Wearing cotton gloves and applying a bitter-tasted nail polish is preferred by the most dermatologists, so you can pick one of them and stick to it. You can also replace this habit with good ones like drawing, origami, or even yoga. Tip 4. Seek support. Don't be afraid to seek support from friends, family, or even online communities. Share your progress, challenges, and strategies. Having a support system can make the journey easier and more motivating. Seek support from those the most who have been nail bitters in the past, so they can give you more accurate suggestions. Breaking bad habits can be tough, but it's all about making small efforts every day. Start by identifying triggers that lead to the habit and find healthier alternatives. Stay consistent and be patient with yourself. Remember, breaking a habit takes time and effort. Click the video on the right side and I'll meet you there.